Hey guys, it's Allayna. Welcome back to Allayna and Geo. So today we'll be making a really simple recipe again. It's called sweet porota. It's like a type of sweet pastry with sultanas in between. Um, a lot of people really enjoy this, and this is a really yummy snack for after school, or even can be used as dessert with some ice cream in it. So the ingredients you'll need are pastry, sultanas, sugar, an egg, and some butter. So without further ado, let's get on to the recipe. First thing you'll need to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees. And then in a bowl, you're going to crack an egg and whisk it. This will be your egg wash to the pastry. Next, you're going to get the pastry and we're going to lay a layer of butter in between. Now we're going to sprinkle a generous amount of sugar on the butter. The butter helps the sugar really stick to the pastry. And now we're going to add our sultanas. Not everyone likes sultanas, so you can go ahead and use chocolate chips. That's a really good alternative. And if you have any other ingredients to use as alternatives, then you can use those as well. Once you're done spreading your sultanas, you're going to roll this into a sushi-like cylinder shape, I guess you could say. Once you've rolled this, you can get a knife and cut it diagonally. When you cut it diagonally, you can really see the layers in between. Once it gets cooked, I know you might not see it now, but you will see it when it gets cooked. So we're going to grab one section out of this and press it so it's kind of like squished in between, and we're going to firmly press it so make sure it's even everywhere, and place this onto a baking paper. Continue doing this with all your sections until you have filled your baking paper or you finished. So here we laid it on our baking paper like this. You can make a few batches of these. And now we're going to use our egg wash with a brush thing. I don't know what it's called, but with your brush thing, you can gently brush some egg wash onto your pastry. The egg wash helps the pastry get really golden brown and crispy. Place this into the oven. You can change down the temperature to 150 degrees so it cooks a little more slowly and doesn't get burnt just in case. Here are the final results. As you can see, the egg wash really made it crispy and golden brown on the outside. It's really sweet, really delicious. Everyone loves it. So if you really like this recipe, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting recipes since a lot of people tend to like it. And thank you so much for watching. Share it as well. Thank you.